Hello students, and welcome to Writing Workshop. I hope everyone is having a great day so far. Today is Monday, August 24th, 2020. The materials you're going to need today are a pencil and a few pieces of notebook paper or a composition journal. If you don't have those, go ahead and pause the video, collect your supplies, and then come back to press play. Okay, now that you have all the materials you need, let's talk about the objective of today's lesson. Today you will be learning all about a writing journal, as well as the expectations and importance of your writing journal. Your writing journal can be a spiral notebook, a composition journal, or a few sheets of paper. I would recommend that if you use single sheets of paper every day, you could maybe keep all of them in a safe place together, such as a folder or a notebook. That way you can see how well your writing progresses and builds over time. Expectations for your writing journal. Always have a cover page on the front of your journal. For each journal entry, always place the date and a title. If you have more than one journal entry on each page, skip 2 lines between one entry and the other. Write neatly so that others can read your work. Try to write at least 3 to 5 sentences each time you make an entry. You can always write more. For your writing journal, you will create a cover page. This will include your name, grade level, teacher name. You can include it here on the composition notebook on the very front cover. Or if you have loose leaf or spiral paper, like to the right, you can always write your name, your grade level, and your teacher, like the example here. I'm going to give you a few minutes to go ahead and pause the video so that you can create your cover page for your writing journal to let it show all of this information. Do not forget to include your full name, your grade level, and your teacher name. When you're finished, come back and then continue the video. Okay, great. Now that you are finished creating your cover page, I want you to flip to the next page in your journal or move on to the next sheet of paper that you have. Your journal entry should always include the date, title, 3 to 5 sentences in length, and always skip 2 lines between each journal entry. Let's figure out what today's date is. Today's date is August 24th, 2020. So we're going to write down today's date in the top right-hand side of your paper, just on this space here. Go ahead and write the date on your paper. You can pause the video and then restart. We will always try to put a title on our journal entries as well. Many times the title for your journal entry will be the topic of the journal for the day. The title goes on the page at the top before the journal entry, right here in the middle of the page. It's notated in green. Go ahead and title your journal entry, First Journal Entry. You can pause the video while you title your journal for the day. Journals can be fun. It is always important to know how to express yourself through writing. Journals can convey emotion as well as help you solve problems by writing things down. Journals can also help you remember fun or not so fun times in your life that you can always reference back to and remember how much you have grown and overcome. I would like you to think about this topic in your journal entry for today. What activities have you done during quarantine? Did anything happen that was fun or exciting? Was there anything not so fun about quarantine? Thank you for joining me for today and learning about how important your writing journal is. Here is the journal topic for the day and some sentence stems to get you started. You can pause the video now and complete your journal entry. Please have an adult take a picture of your completed cover page and journal entry and upload it into your Google Classroom.